or they can be a worker. So provide po kami ng cat food, weekly food ration, depende ho sa dami ng mga pusa din sa lugar na yun. And then we get them neutered, kasi napapaamo sila. And then eventually, yung mga medical needs din nila, we attend to it. And then finally, yung mga adoptables, dinadala po namin sa mga ganitong events. So, we are in partnership with Araneta Groups Incorporated. And because ang goal namin, ang common goal is to depopulate the city of homeless cats. And we do that not by throwing them, yung passing on, yung ipapass on mo lang yung problema sa ibang community, but addressing the problem, which is to get them neutered, to